Is there any current rumble about the middle child? I own some and certainly excited about the uptick in silver and gold, but it seems that China is now substituting platinum for gold for their jewelry market, and the gold platinum ratio just seems upside down. Would love to hear your thoughts about that.
I was talking with my colleague Joe about a year ago about just this. At that time, platinum was sitting around $950 an ounce. But the thing that was interesting was that we knew that the supply that was en route to the industrial side of platinum was far less than the actual demand. So it was an intriguing marketplace at that time and still is today. One of the reasons why is because platinum's major industrial use, one of which is the catalytic converter. For those of you that don't know, the catalytic converter uses three different alloys. That is the fundamental parts of the catalytic converter: platinum, palladium, and rhodium. What they do is they spool that through the catalytic converter, and what that does is it creates carbon dioxide and turns it into carbon monoxide. That is over 50% of the platinum market right there. After that's the jewelry market. For instance, Tiffany and Company is the big dog when it comes to who buys the most platinum when it comes to one of the most important things, which is the wedding ring. Platinum is a hyperallergenic metal, and nobody has an allergy to that, unlike gold, silver, and a lot of other metals where people can be allergic to those metals. China right now is definitely bringing in more platinum because of the gold shock with the price when it comes to the public sector. And Brian, you had a little bit more to talk about that.
This year, Chinese jewelers imported 11.5 metric tons. Chinese investors' demand is also forecast at 668,000 ounces for 2025.
Interesting enough, you would think that the prognosticators that come from like some of the bigger banks would have much higher numbers in the forecast for platinum with those types of facts for 2025, but actually not really. I mean, most of them are hanging around where we're at right now when it comes to actual platinum price. So quite surprising but gold and silver definitely are where, the majority of all the experts are saying is going to have much higher pricing. Although we still think they might be wrong about platinum, but who knows? Well, only time can tell. But the numbers definitely show that there's a huge lack of supply versus demand.